Okay, let's start this. Let's see if a few more people are going to join us in a little bit. So today we're doing virtual open houses on 3 of my properties. We're at property number 1 in Coral Gables. So this is the street. It's called Osorio Avenue. And how are you all doing in your houses? What are you doing all day? Are you learning any new hobbies? Are you like talking to your family a lot? What is everybody doing? It's so quiet out here. So anyway, but this is a very quiet street. The University of Miami is right over there. So you can basically walk. You have the Biltmore Hotel this way. And this is like a really, really great area. All the houses here are more expensive than this one. So I feel this is a really, really great deal. There's houses around here that are $3-4 million. And the house that we're looking at is $825. So as you can see, it's a very quiet, quaint neighborhood. You see the beautiful curb appeal of this property. It's very well maintained. You have impact windows throughout. Oh, it's so quiet. I'm not used to this calmness. It's beautiful. Okay, let's do a little walkthrough. If you at any time have any questions about the house, you can always ask and I try to answer. If not, I'm gonna send you the information later. And the great thing is I also have on this house a Matterport tour, which is basically a 3D tour where you can walk through the house and look at everything like really close up. It's really amazing. So you will feel like walking through the house. Okay. So again, this is the street. University of Miami is over there. Let me see here. And the Biltmore Hotel is this way. You have plenty of parking outside and you also have a 1-car garage. Okay, so let's walk on in here. I'm excited. So beautiful front porch. This would be your view from the front porch. So here we have our sign where we announce that we can't do any in-person showings right now, but we're happy to accommodate you virtually. So here I want you to have a little bit of imagination. The house does need a little bit of updating, but it has amazing great bones and the price is fabulous. The house sits on a 10,000 square foot lot, which is really hard to find in this area, and it's priced at only $825. So let's take a look. The living area is really, really big. So you walk in, you have this beautiful fireplace. You can paint if you want, you can leave it as is. Look how big and spacious the living area is. So here you have your dining. And then let's look at the view again from this side into the living area. You see how large that is? And you have very high ceilings, which is also not very common in this area. Yes, Laurie. The garden is beautiful. It's large. I'm going to walk through that in a little bit so you can see better. So the kitchen, the cabinets are actually really good quality. If you want to keep them and just change the hardware, because those are really, really nice ones, and you can change out the hinges to make it look a little bit more modern. The good thing about this house is it's been super well maintained. It's a well maintained vintage house. So also here you have an exit to the garden. And now let's walk into the master. You see beautiful wood floors, and to be honest with you, I haven't seen a single scratch on this floor. It's very well maintained. So this would be the master. As you see, it's quite large. Also remember all impact windows. So here you have a cedar closet. So cedar wood is termite proof, and it's just really neat to have in a closet. And this is your master bath. The shower. And even look here at the tiles. How clean they are. Okay, so let's walk into the next bedroom. They are using this as an office. Let me show you the closet here, and here you have also a view to the backyard. You have a closet here. It's a hallway closet of the second bedroom, which has the AC handler and a lot of storage space. As you can see. Oh, look what we have here. We have toilet paper. So awesome, the house comes with toilet paper. And then here we have the second bedroom, a bathroom. And as you can see even here, this is very, very clean, everything. And I've heard the pink bathrooms are back. So here, that tub doesn't even have a scratch. This is a cast iron tub. Also here, you have a window out to the garden. You have another closet off the bathroom, and this is really deep. It's a deep linen closet. And now let's go to the third bedroom. We have a total of 4 bedrooms in this house. This also has a nice size closet. And remember, we have of this house a Matterport 3D tour. So we can send you the link, and then you can walk through the house at your own speed. So now we come to the 4th bedroom, and they open this up to a den, and I'll show you how you can put it back to a 4th bedroom. So you walk, oh, sorry, I missed the step here. So you walk from the living room in here. And this is also the door to the garage. So they had a wall here for this bedroom. Had the closet right behind the wall. Where you see this is where the wall was, here, and had the closet here. Okay, so it's a small bedroom, but it is a 4th bedroom. And they open it up. So depending on your needs, if you need another bedroom, you can enclose it again, or you just leave it open as a playroom, or for guests that you don't want them to stay for all too long. This is perfect. So let's look at the view from here. Okay, so and then you have a really nice 1-car garage. And important to mention that garage door is also hurricane proof. So it's compliant with all the windows, and the whole house has hurricane protection. In the garage, you also have a door to the outdoors. So if you were to add a pool to the backyard, you can have people come in through the garage because there's a half bath here. You can put also there maybe an outdoor shower or something. So you have a half bath here. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to close the toilet seat for the showing. So anyway, here you have it. And here, again, we have toilet paper. So the house comes with toilet paper. You have the washer dryer in the garage. And I would say let's go check out the garden. So this is a really, really big lot, and the outdoors is really amazing. So let's walk around a little bit and check it out. You see how much room there is? You could easily fit a pool in there, a deck, basically whatever you want to do. And then this beautiful oak tree over there. And here you have the back view of the house. This is beautiful. And just to give you some comps, this house next door sits on a 25% smaller lot. It has no impact windows and has one bedroom less, and that one sold for $760, and there was no brokers involved. So I think the asking price on this of $825 is a really good price. So if you want to move into this high-end neighborhood and don't spend over $1 million, this is a really, really great option. Love this house. It's really, really beautiful. So if you'd like to have more info, or if you'd like to get the Matterport tour, where you can virtually walk through the house and take your time and like really zoom in on every angle, I'd be happy to send that to you. Just send me a message or comment on the video. We'd be happy to supply that or provide that. And if you have any questions, let me know. I can come back anytime. If you'd like to schedule a private virtual showing, I can do that via FaceTime or Skype, whatever is convenient for you. I'm here to show it. And I hope you all have a good day. I'm going to walk you a little bit more through it and through the front. And then I'm going to meet you at 12:30 at our next property. That's it from 915 Osorio Avenue in Coral Gables. If you want any more info, just contact me. And I see you at 12:30. We're going to look at a home in Miami Beach, 4323 North Bay. And we are going to be there at 12:30. And I can't wait to have Lori show you the house. And then, oh, I forgot. At 1:30 we do have another one. At 1:30 we have a condo in Coconut Grove, which is a penthouse, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And that one is $399. So tune in.